Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Thorsten. 2 weeks ago I bought this Bresser photo mount with a controller, battery pack and motor. It's a second-hand mount, so I only paid 140 euros. It was really bargain, and I was looking for a film in YouTube to see how I can set up this mount, but I didn't find any video. So I decided to make a film myself to give you explanation how to set up this photo mount with this Polaris scope. Okay, so we will begin. Align the tripod toward the north. Set the latitude to here at Offenburg it's 48.5 degrees. Now we set up the Polaris scope. To turn left or right the scope, please don't tighten the screw number 7 too much. Now we are looking for Polaris. It's always heat north. In my town it's 48.5 degrees. Now we are looking for the little tipper. Here you can see the little tipper. Now bring the Polaris scope in position. Turn left or right the scope and use softly the screws. Be sure the little tipper in the scope is parallel to the little tipper in the sky, and the Polaris is the year line 2026. Now your Bresser sky tracker is working. Thank you for watching my video. See you.